Hello everyone, my name is Tyler from Tea Pickles. I am finally back, and this video has been a long delay. Every time I seem to make this video, it would just be interrupted by some plans. But as you can see, my fire alarm system is up and running again. Still haven't got batteries, I don't think I will. But so much has changed. It is on a table, and yeah, it is on a table. I've hooked up my Edwards 270 SPO, and this is like basically my room. It is 3:48 p.m. and yeah, everything is ready. It's plugged in. So I guess we're gonna do a test. I don't know what device I'm going to start by pulling. Let's just pull this one. Oh, didn't make it. Ooh, that was loud. Okay, it's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but I'm going to reset this. Now, that's reset, everything normal. We're going to do his system reset. Oh, by the way, I have audible sounds. I know this is 2-wire, but it's just something through the dip switches. I also have the door off. Pretty easy to take off. There were some few hinges. Well, I guess I'm gonna do a walk test since I don't think I'm gonna do a walk test. As you can see, everything's normal. Actually, before I do the walk test, I'm gonna tell you why I've been not making any videos. I couldn't use this because for this device, I had to take it off for like some demos, and I lost the resistor. And so I just could not use my fire alarm control panel with another trouble. Like, it's not like that battery trouble annoys me enough. So, yesterday night, I was searching through this thing right here, this box, and I found a resistor. I was like, oh my goodness, I found a resistor, yes. And so, I started wiring this pole station up. As you can see, the resistor's right there. But yeah, I guess that's the demonstration. So walk test. I'm pretty sure you all know how to do it. Just press and hold the walk test button. I really, as you can see, I really don't like touching this because I'm afraid I'm gonna get shocked. But walk test. My camera's out of focus, I'm sorry. Yep, system trouble and walk test lights are flashing. What should we start by pulling? I think we should start by this right here. Reset quickly. I'm pretty sure you just saw why it went. So, we're just gonna now the last one would have to be this one right here. It was gonna take me a while too, So, as you can see right here, all the 3 lights are on alarm and still flashing. Just gonna make sure everything's all normal and hit reset. Yep, it's now reset. Well, I'm pretty sure that's enough for this video. I'm really glad to have the fire alarm system up and running. So I guess that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.